Hey guys, it's time for a quick haul. I actually shopped a little bit from the Nykaa summer sale that's going on, and it's just a bunch of random things. There isn't really a lot of things, but I really want to just quickly unbox it with you guys and share everything that I picked up. So let's start with the lipsticks that I got. So the first thing is Annika Kay Lipstick. This is their True Matte lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. So if you have been watching my channel for some time, then you know that I already had this, and I remember using this in a couple of tutorials, but I lost it. So I think I lost it back in October, and I have actually legit missed this shade, especially when I'm doing something like smoky or like a really vibrant eye and I need this muted nude rose sort of a color. I always end up looking for this, and at the back of my head, I always thought to myself, whenever there's a sale coming out, I need to pick this up, and I finally did. So if you are looking for a matte lipstick for an everyday sort of a color, this was actually recommended to me by Ankita, and it has never failed me, so I decided to go ahead and get this again. The next thing I got is from Maybelline, and this is their Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Romantic. And the reason I got this is because I saw Patrickta, or who was it? I think it was Patrickta, who did a makeup on Adriana Lima, and I loved that look. I'm gonna put up a picture of that look, and he had actually mentioned that this is the lipstick that he used, and I want to recreate it to the T, so that's why I got this, and I absolutely love that look. So now that I have this, I am going to go ahead and do that. So the next thing I got is this Maybelline metallic lip kit. It's called Python, and it's in the shade Passionate. I actually saw this, I think, in Shreya's Insta story, and I think she bought all the shades, and this color really stood out to me. So it has a red and a metallic rose gold on it, and as soon as I saw this, I just wanted to create a monochromatic makeup look using just this. So this is like a waxy sort of a lipstick in like a maroonish red, like a deep burgundy, and this is like a pinkish rose gold metallic pressed powder, and I think this would be great to create like a monochromatic look, which is why I decided to get this color in the shade Passionate. If I like this, I might end up getting some more shades. Then I also got this Hyaluronic Fix. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this is their Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. So just spraying it on my face right now to see how it feels. Feels normal, feels really nice. I might need to use this a couple of more times to kind of understand if it actually plumps and hydrates the face like it says, but it does feel really nice and cooling and refreshing right now. The next thing I got is so random. So this is the BBLUNT Jell-O Natural Hold Gel. And the reason I got this is because I was at a shoot. We had this photo shoot with Lily. I'm gonna leave some of the pictures here. And that day, the hairstylist did this like braid, like Dutch braid on me, and I never really put my hair up on a braid or anything on a regular basis. And when she was braiding my hair, she actually used this gel all over my hair, and that way like we didn't have any flyaways. And when I opened my hair didn't feel karak, if you know what I mean. It didn't feel like stiff, it didn't feel like it needed a wash immediately. I actually went out, because it was in a braid, my hair turned into really nice soft curls, and I just went ahead and opened my hair and didn't even have to wash it the next day. So I really liked it. It has this really nice hold to it, and it just felt so nice on my hair. So I thought maybe I should get this myself too and try it some more, especially when I have like ponytails and stuff. I like to put my hair back when I'm doing makeup tutorials, and I usually have these flyaways. So I thought, let me just try this for those. And I actually was reading the reviews about this on Nykaa like while I was placing the order, and a lot of people actually said that they bought it for their brother or their boyfriend, and they really were blown away with it. So I'm excited. Okay, so the next thing I got is from Neutrogena. This is their Hydra Boost Clear Lotion. Now I only got this because I loved the Hydra Boost cream, the gel. I actually really liked the Hydra Boost gel and I've used it quite a lot. So I decided to give the toner as well a go. This is just a clear lotion. You use it as a toner, and yeah, that's the next thing I got. I'm going to use it some more, probably do like a summer skincare routine, and I think this would be perfect for that. And last but not the least, I repurchased one of my favorite hair serum. This is the Moroccan Oil Treatment. I really like the smell of this, and this really makes my hair feel really nice. It does have a lot of silicone, so it's got that slipperiness to it, but it's really nice when it comes to like styling, especially like if you have very dry ends after you've colored your hair and you want it to look a little bit more infused with life and not lifeless and dull throughout the time. It really helps in like just coating the hair and giving it a nice added shine. I quite like it. I'm so excited to have this back again. I've been meaning to repurchase this for the longest time, and my Kerasta's Elixir Ultim just got over and I needed a new serum, so I decided to get this again. So that's all for this quick little haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. It was super random. I just repurchased a couple of things, bought a random hair gel and a few lipsticks that I cannot wait to experiment with. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I hope you guys are all taking care of yourself and hydrating this summer, using sunscreen this summer. Please don't forget to do that, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one.